Hello to my A group friends learning at home today. Today is Tuesday, October 20th, and I'm going to walk you through the daily workbook page. As we talked about yesterday, it's a little bit more challenging now, so you want to watch the video, look up words you don't know, give it a good try, and submit your work to me. I will be looking at your work to make sure you watched this video. So let's take a look here. For the first one, you have to write an antonym for each word. Before I proceed, I forgot to tell you, after you submit this, then you'll want to do your spelling words for list number 24 in a sentence, writing your own sentences with our new words and submit that to me. And also work on your reading log for this week. The final reading log with 5 reading log entries is due Sunday, October 25th by midnight. So the sooner you do 5 entries, the sooner you are done with that. Okay, let's see what we got here. We got to write an antonym for each word. Antonym means something that means the same thing. So, build is a verb. Another verb that means to build something is construct, or perhaps rectify. That means you build up something, you rectify a building, for example. Okay, for the next one we have the adjective tidy. Tidy, if you are a tidy person, that means you are a clean person, or another antonym. Whoops. Mistake. Make sure you're paying attention, which I apparently was not. Antonym means not, I was giving you synonyms. We need words that mean the opposite. That's what antonym means. Opposite means antonym means the opposite in meaning. So let's try that again. What is the opposite of the word build? How about destroy, ruin, or deconstruct? Those words are antonyms for build. An antonym for tidy, which means clean, would be messy or unorganized. All right, now we got the right idea. Antonym means opposite. Okay, now we have to correct some sentences. First one reads, Alan, that's someone's name, Alan watched television from 6:30 to 8:30 last night. Well, as soon as I see this time phrase, last night, I know my verb, watch, has to be in the past. So after I capitalize the name here, the subject of the sentence, Alan, I am going to change watch to watched. Alan watched television from 6:30. Anytime you are using time phrases, times on a clock, you want to include a colon here to write it correctly. 6:30 to 8:30, same thing, last night. It's just a sentence, a simple statement, so we're going to end with a period. Alan watched television from 6:30 to 8:30 last night. Number 4, them boys rides the bus to school every day. Oh boy, this one has a lot of mistakes. To start with, them is a pronoun, an object pronoun, and this right here is the subject of our sentence. Also, boys is plural, so we want to change the first word to a plural subject adjective, telling us that it's more than one. Those boys. Since it is boys, we do not need the S on our verb ride. We don't want to say rides, we just leave it at ride. You only need the S if it's he, she, or it, but not something plural. Those boys ride the bus. Uh-oh, homophone alert, homophone alert. As we've seen, there are 3 ways to spell the word to in English. Here we need the directional to school. Everyday, close. Every day. Okay, so our final sentence reads, those boys ride the bus to school every day. Oh dear, lots of new words here. Declarative means a simple sentence. You're just declaring something in a sentence. You are expressing something. Interrogative means a question. Imperative means you are telling someone to do something or writing a command. Telling someone to do something. In other words, a command. You're commanding someone. And exclamatory means expressing a strong emotion. So, let's take a look. Ouch, that hurts. Not really a sentence because we do not have a subject or a person involved. Not a question. We know that it hurts. We're not asking, does it hurt? We are not telling someone to hurt us, so it is not an imperative command. We're not saying, hurt me. And exclamatory, we are expressing a strong emotion. I think that's the winner. Exclamatory. Ouch, that hurts. Oftentimes with exclamatory, we could add an exclamation point. All right. There were some challenges involved today. I hope you did a good job watching. I hope you learned something new. I hope you will do your spelling assignment for me and a reading log. And we will see you tomorrow if you're not in school today. Have a good day.